Hey everyone, my name is Nicole Coker and I'm your USA National Miss South Carolina 2020. I'm so incredibly blessed to be here today to tell you guys all about my journey with Alycia in order to create my podcast in just 2 months. It has been absolutely phenomenal and I cannot wait to tell you guys. So I actually started listening to the A Pageant podcast back in 2018 and I just thought in my brain like, oh man, it'd be amazing to work with Alycia, right? So fast forward a little bit to this year, she actually started something called the Virtual Pageant Summit. It was absolutely amazing. She brought all these pageant professionals in to talk about different facets of pageantry, but at the end, this is where it gets good. So I really been wanting to work with her, right? God knew that Alycia was the woman I needed, right? So she actually started a program called the Inner Circle. And this is where we got to have group calls with Alycia and all the Inner Circle girls. And we got access to the pageant game plan, some trainings that she did with like starting your show, writing a book. Literally, guys, whatever you need, Alicia's got it. So we actually went and did one-on-one calls, our group calls, and I was able to create all of the things I needed for my podcast in just 2 months. So all the equipment I needed, all the episode writing, layouts for the writing, all the podcast art stuff that I needed, literally everything I needed was there for me. And I am just so grateful that I finally have what's called the Live Courageously podcast, where I get to share my story of how I was in a toxic relationship for 6 years of my life and how I'm able to help girls today in learning all the warning signs and then also just to live a courageous life, stepping out of your comfort zone, doing things that you really want to do, looking forward to that dream that you've always been dreaming of, something that just takes courage to do. And I just really love to be able to share that in my Live Courageously podcast. And I'm incredibly blessed that I was able to do that and work with Alycia. So if you're wondering if you should work with Alycia, girlfriend, this is your chance. Work with Alycia to start working through your legacy project or finding your core values, whatever it may be. Alycia has you covered, and I promise you that you will not regret it. Thank you so much, Alycia, for everything that you've done for me. It's been absolutely amazing working with you, and I cannot wait to continue. Thank you, guys.